Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we are reviewing the VEVOR portable car lift, a heavy-duty and versatile lifting solution designed for DIY mechanics, car enthusiasts, and small garages. Click the link below for the best price. This portable lift supports an impressive 7,000 pounds, making it strong enough to safely lift cars, SUVs, and even light-duty trucks. The frame is constructed from heavy-duty carbon steel, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance even with frequent use. Whether you're performing routine maintenance like oil changes and brake repairs or tackling more involved suspension and exhaust work, this lift provides the clearance and stability you need to work confidently and comfortably underneath your vehicle. The maximum lifting height of 26.8 inches gives you plenty of room to move and work without awkward crawling or relying on unstable jack stands. The hydraulic system is powered by a 120 volts electric motor, meaning you can plug it into any standard household outlet and easily raise or lower your vehicle. The controls are intuitive and responsive, making the lift smooth to operate for both beginners and experienced users alike. Portability is a big advantage of the VEVOR lift. It features built-in wheels and a compact footprint that make moving and repositioning the lift quick and effortless. This means you can use it in different parts of your garage or workshop without hassle, and it's perfect if space is limited. Despite being portable, the lift feels very stable when under load, and the safety locking mechanism automatically engages to keep your vehicle secure during work. Installation is straightforward with clear instructions and a minimal number of components. Most users can set it up on their own without specialized tools or professional assistance, so you'll be ready to lift your car in no time. The adjustable arms come with rubber pads that protect your vehicle's frame and accommodate a wide variety of lift points, making it compatible with most cars, trucks, and SUVs. The VEVOR portable car lift is ideal for those who want professional-grade lifting power without the bulk or cost of a full-sized garage lift. It offers excellent build quality, safety features, and usability in a package that fits in home workshops, garages, and even mobile mechanic setups. If you're serious about car maintenance or repairs, this lift will make your work faster, easier, and much safer. Click the link below for the best price, and upgrade your garage capabilities today with the VEVOR 7,000 pound portable car lift. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.